Welcome to the Growth Lab podcast, the only B2B sales podcast with proven strategies, tools and tactics for selling into construction, FM and property management. I'm your host Matt Harris, the creator behind the Growth Lab. In March, I started a 6-week construction sprint. The construction, fit-out, refurbishment sector is one of our target markets. Our top 5 clients operate in this market and are all construction companies, but they were won through existing relationships and inbound inquiries. Before starting the sprint, we had little idea about selling into construction. To fix this, I proposed running a 6-week prospecting sprint. The idea was inspired by a Basecamp article I read after listening to Jason Fried, Basecamp's founder, on the Tim Ferriss podcast. I've included a link to both the article and the episode in the show notes. The concept was simple. Run 6-week sprint cycles focusing on one market, start developing a playbook with the learnings from the sprint, analyze the data at the end of the sprint, calls made, emails sent, open rates, booking rates, new business gained, rinse and repeat for the rest of the year, roughly 5 or 6 sprints in total. We needed to learn the sales cycles and buying process of our target market, develop value proposition and ideal client profiles, and create resources for the playbooks, talk tracks, email sequences, the list goes on. I also outlined the goals for each sprint. The input goals were a minimum of 250 calls per week per person, minimum of 250 emails sent per week per person, and weekly status reporting and feedback, including objections and insights. The output goals were new clients generated per week, new bookings generated per week, and new revenue generated per week. The team would record their results in the sprint tracker, which you can access in the show notes. I presented my plan on the 28th of February. The first sprint would start on the 4th of March. That meant I had 4 days to prepare. Preparation for the sprint was pretty straightforward. First, I needed to identify the key decision-maker roles. I narrowed these down to procurement or supply chain directors and managers, construction directors or construction managers, project directors or project managers, and heads of sustainability and sustainability managers. I spent some time using ChatGPT to ask what their responsibilities, challenges, and problems are for each role. I'd use this information in my email outreach. Second, I needed data. That meant mining leads. I had 2 options, use my Apollo.io account or use Lia to mine leads. I chose both options. At the time, you could set up a free Apollo account and export 500 contacts for no charge. Now it's limited to about 120 a year. I used 3 different accounts and got access to 1,500 contacts. I also created a lead mining guide for the VA, which you can access in the show notes. I gave her some instructions to mine some more leads, and within a week, she had another 500 contacts. Last but not least, I created a bunch of email templates to stick into an outbound sequence. I used the responsibilities, problems, and challenges list I created from ChatGPT to guide me. Then, I wrote the emails using a simple cold email framework. You can check out the framework that I used by subscribing to the Growth Lab newsletter on Substack. Emails ready, I created a simple 8 to 10 step sequence to test. That was the extent of my prep. By Monday, I was ready to launch the sprint. Can't recommend this approach enough. We've gained so much insight into how to tap into the construction industry as a result of doing these sprints. Over the next few weeks, I'll share the sprint results, what worked, what didn't, and the playbook template that I've been developing. That's all for this episode of the Growth Lab podcast. If you enjoyed the episode, make sure you hit that follow button on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, or hit that subscribe button on YouTube to access future episodes. And if you want weekly B2B sales tips sent directly to your inbox, make sure you subscribe to the Growth Lab newsletter on Substack via the link in the episode description, where you can also access the free resources mentioned in this episode. Until next time, stay grinding.